Revolution Beauty. Now, where's the hype come from for this? Is it because it's like, war paint in that area? Or came to the market with a bit of a jamboree? Anyway, oh yeah, Revolution Beauty. Okay, let's have a look at the old MICROCAP League. Revolution Beauty. It's number 66. It's gone up the MICROCAP League from 102 last week to number 66 this week. Let's have a look at this. So they are a multi-brand, multi-category, lots of multis there, isn't it? It's multi-multis. Mass beauty innovator with a proven global scale. Since its foundation with Anna Minto and Tom Allsworth in 2004, the group has grown rapidly by establishing. What's happened with Anna Minto? He's gone, is he? Let me know. I don't really know the story. I know there's been problems there. Anyway, a retail footprint of 11,000 doors across leading retail chains in the UK, US, and internationally. This is a fast-growing digital business. Okay, direct to consumer. So let's look at the tail of the tape. We've got 25 pence share price, target price 75 pence. So the brokers see 200% upside. Market cap 79 million, enterprise value 102. So we've got a bit of debt here, ladies and gentlemen. Net asset per share, nothing. Average daily volume, it's all right, 166,000. It's all right, revenue 191 million. Operating profit loss 4.3. Profit cash of 8.6. Debt 31 million. Operating cash flow. I mean, I'm assuming, how many years would it take to pay that off? But if the margins get better, less. If they grow faster, of course. No dividend. So these are results to the 29th, it was a leap year this year, of February 2024. Top line growth of 2%. Let's have a look at the scores. So the growth is scoring high. So that's a tick there. Highest scoring metric on the MICROCAP League for growth companies is growth, of course. And that's scoring 27. Value, a bit more questionable, 13. There's no momentum. The health is questionable. The efficiency is okay. Potential is decent. So it's momentum, health, and value. Now, of course, the value can get better if they're growing the margins, they're growing top line. So it doesn't actually mean the share price has come down. Price of sales for PE of 7. Okay. Price to book for, that can't be wrong, is it? EBITDA 14. Health. So the net debt of 23 million. I've got to have a look at that because that can't be right, the gross gearing. But anyway, gross margins 46. That's all right. Operating margin 2.2. Return on capital 9. That could improve a bit, couldn't it, from that? But so brokers 200% upside. Let's have a look at the figures here. So 90 there, 191. So second half was better than the first half. You'd expect that of Christmas, wouldn't you? And all that stuff is covered in that. Yeah, operating profit there. So H1 actually made an operating loss, and they went to profit. So that's decent. Second half. I've seen that people will be buying before Christmas as well, are they? So this now, well, I don't know. Pre-tax profit, okay. So it's improving, isn't it? You see the figures are improving. Definitely improving. Net assets, 178 grand. Okay. So the forecast here. The forecast, literally, I was surprised by this. And I had to recheck once or twice. That surely they're on recovery now. And they reckon top line's going to dip by 6% next year. But the margins are going to hold or improve, which is a good sign, which to me is good. I mean, even the top line isn't growing, you get more efficient, So even the profit's not going to be as good. What happened is, why did they have such good? Why was this year so good and the next year isn't that good? But they get back to above 223 million, they reckon, by 2027, and 4.4 million things. So, it depends what the sales multiples on. It's around about half of sales here. So I put on half sales, 60 EBITDA and 12. I don't see much upside unless that changes, the margin changes. Having said that, if you go stock with a lot of hype in it, it can rally beyond that. But based on fundamentals, I don't know much about this. I've not looked into it. I've just got a bit of debt here, and it's not knocking the ball at the park here, is it? I mean, even on the results, what happened? It went up and down. So the market isn't convinced. I'm not convinced, really. I know there's a lot of hype there. Thinking, I would like to see the margins get improve. That's all, and slowly grow that top line. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, Of the watchlist jury, the final one of the night. What do you reckon? Rev, yeah, 244 million, plenty of scope for margin improvement. Yeah, but why aren't they doing it then? Looks like a turnaround situation. Could be, yeah. Warpaint, much better company, not for me. Yeah, Warpaint is a much better company, absolutely. Ed says, REVB, no, it's a bit ugly. Yeah. Maybe it doesn't matter how much lipstick you chuck on it. It's not going to look pretty. I don't know. Brian, nope. Stick with Warpaint. Yep. Gareth, nope. Warpaint screaming up and it has stayed static. Mark V, not for me. What is it you like about it? So are you thinking just big top line, a margin improvement? Maybe it will. I don't know. Uh, it could do. It could be one of the stocks that really rallied. I don't know. But on the fundamentally, it is improving. But why hasn't the chart rallied? So yeah, it's just going downwards. I'm not convinced here. I don't know. I'm going to put an alert on the 200-day moving average there. I think. So look, alert. 200-day. Rev B. I think I may have it on there anyway. There we are. So it's literally that divided opinion again. It's a little bit of just be nice. If you're a holder, I'll say it's maybe one for the watch list. All right, maybe. There we are. Oh, well, it is on the watch list. Just put an alert on the chart. It could rally very strongly. And if the movements, if the margins improve, it could go somewhere. But as yet, I'm not convinced.